Hi everyone, Nicki Sun here. So excited because I'm at my girl's home studio. She's an incredible fashion designer. We're gonna shoot some vertical content and use the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex5 to concept and edit a couple of ideas of how to transition your wardrobe from summer to fall. Speaking of which, I'm gonna transition into some of Gina's clothes right now. Let's go. Gina Lin is an LA-based fashion designer focused on the young contemporary market. With most of her team based in China and France, she is constantly mocking up designs by hand and emailing them overseas for feedback. Today, she is trying out the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex5 to simplify the process of designing and editing some of her recent work. I've never seen her draw in action, so this is really cool. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex5 is a very versatile yet powerful machine. Powered by an AMD Ryzen mobile processor with Radeon graphics, the 14-inch Lenovo IdeaPad Flex5 offers you excellent all-around performance, graphics, and productivity in a flexible device built to be what you need it to be. It can be used in laptop mode for everyday computing, tent mode for sharing, stand mode for binge watching, or even tablet mode for more intuitive interaction. And weighing approximately 3.5 pounds, it is a very thin, light, and stylish 2-in-1 laptop.
You can just draw on a mannequin too on here.
Yeah.
What?
With the digital pen included, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex5 allows you to capture moments of inspiration or take notes on the fly. With Wi-Fi and long battery life, it lets you do it where and for how long you want to as well. A narrow bezel on 4 sides give you more viewing area and less clutter to interfere with the task at hand. And a physical shutter on the webcam ensures you keep out unwanted attention when concerned about your privacy. Watching Gina work is really inspiring. After getting a better sense of her style, I wanted to create a fun video for social featuring her most recent pieces. It could even be like your own catwalk, and we can switch you into clothes as you're catwalking. Yeah, you're looking fire. I like this. Let's load it up on the big screen. After the shoot, I was able to quickly transfer my footage onto the IdeaPad using the built-in SD card slot. It also features multiple USB ports, an HDMI port, and a mic or headphone jack. We reviewed the footage to select the best takes, and I did the rest of the edit from my home studio on the IdeaPad Flex5. Working with Gina was truly inspiring, and having the Flex5 at her fingertips throughout the day just made the project that much more fun, simple, and creative. Well, that was it on the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex5. I hope you enjoyed watching. My name is Nicki Sun, and I'll see you in the next one.
Oh my God, yeah. It's so simple.